Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. So you see I have 8 small boxes on my desk. These are sunglasses. I got these from Amazon, totally 8 pairs of polarized sunglasses with 100% UV protection. So they should be perfect for summer styling. I ordered different styles and different colors. It's gonna be super fun. I just can't wait to show you everything. So before we move on to unboxing, I want to explain a little bit more about polarized sunglasses. What's polarized? Polarized sunglasses have special polarized filter on the lenses to create vertical openings for lights. Basically, it blocks all the horizontal glare from smooth horizontal surface like water, like roads, shiny car hood. So when you're driving, if things are like too bright or like reflecting, and polarized sunglasses will help you see better. Since it's a special filter for the lens, it's costly to make. Usually polarized sunglasses are more expensive than non-polarized. But these products are super affordable and they have good reviews on Amazon. I was so excited. So let's unbox everything and see how they go. So let's start with this one. So this is the first pair, cat eye style, oversized with black frame and black lens. This is so classic. So how do you like this? And the sunglasses are pretty comfortable to wear. I can see things like clearly, and also they're pretty lightweight. I can definitely wear this for hours without feeling any discomfort. So I like these. Super classy. Yeah, this is great for everyone, I think. And see what's in the box. It has a user menu like this. What else? And this is a thank you card with all their social media handle. So this small little card is for testing for the polarized lenses. You can wear your sunglasses to see the pattern inside of here, but I'm actually gonna run a quick test after unboxing outside of the house to show you how these polarized lenses will work in real life situations. So you stay with me. This is a small little pouch with the cleaning cloths. I think they're high quality and also with the logo here. I like the color, very minimal, very stylish. Okay, so this is the first pair. I'm pretty happy with this one so far. Second style, look at this. It's beautiful. It looks expensive and trendy, and I like the frame, super lightweight, thinner and more feminine. This is a Tortoise brown frame with brown lens. Let's try. Okay. It's the right size for my face, I think, and it's again super lightweight, very comfortable, and I can see things clearly with the lens. I like this. This can be every day, and I can pair it with like basic t-shirt and jeans look, or maybe a floral dress. I don't know. This is softer. I have so many different ideas already. What do you think? Next style, this white box to see what's inside. Okay. All right. It's a very different style, guys. It's like a two-tone frame. Still oversized, very feminine, a lot of details on the frame. These gold details with embellishment. What is it? It's like a leopard or cat. Very cute. And this is white frame inside. Interior is white. And you have some details like white frame here. And the front is black and sideways black. And this is like very unique, old-fashioned. I think this is like inspired by some designer sunglasses. Very unique, very feminine. I can totally dress up with this style. And the fourth pair. Box is colorful. Let's see. Wow, this is so cool. This is like oversized square frame, all clear. You see this? Very futuristic and very, very cool girl vibe. I love it. And the lenses are like reflective, like mirror reflective, and it's like dark silver grayish. And let's try it. Wow, this is definitely fashionable. I think square frame is interesting to wear because I have like long face. I think square will add some masculine kind of look to my face. This is like great for contemporary street style. The lenses are reflective of a mirror, but when I'm actually wearing it, I don't see much difference. Do you like square frame or clear frame, like very IG kind of look? Leave a comment down below. So we already tried 4 pairs here, and let's try this side. And they have this retro inspired heart shape, and these are like so colorful with heart shaped frame. It's definitely like vintage inspired, very popping and very fun. This is totally summer vibe, and let's try these. Oh, this is so interesting. It's super fun to try heart shaped. I never tried this before, and it's very interesting to wear. I definitely gonna wear these with my jean high dresses and other like retro inspired outfits, and it's definitely gonna pop. So if you like vintage inspired style, if you like cute and feminine styles, and you may want to consider heart shaped lenses like these. This is so fun. Oh my god, guys. So this style is new and it's actually so fun, surprisingly fun, I would say, because on the website photo, it's more like a traditional kind of like gold details, black frame, but with the mirror lens, the colorful mirror lens, it makes everything so different. It just totally elevated the whole street look vibe. I can do this with like sporty outfit or more like denim outfit. It's just like very summery. I like the dimensional reflective mirror lens. You see different colors from different angles, if you can see it from the camera. This is definitely chic. This is like Instagram, TikTok must have. I like the square, oversized, like the bold frame with all white color, and also the lens are like just classic dark gray or black, that kind of lens. So this can be both classic and super trendy. So you guys, let's try this. It's a little bit heavier than the one before because it definitely uses more material, but still like pretty comfortable, and it just makes my face look smaller. Oh my god, it's very flattering. Outfit wise, I can do like power suit, all black, oversized shoulder pads, and with same color trousers with heels. So this pair will definitely impress my Instagram audience. I can do so many different chic outfits with them, and I can also wear this pair maybe to events, just something like formal. You still feel like it's expensive, it's classy, and still like very trendy. I like this style. Oh my god. So if you're ordering anything from LVIOE, I would highly recommend getting a pair of oversized square frame like this. And it's not too heavy, it's pretty comfortable to wear, and you can do black or you can do white and black like this. Oh my god, this is just so fun. I don't even want to take it off. The last pair is more like a classic frame, but super sleek. This can be everyday as well because I ordered black and black. And the frame, I just want to mention these gold details. Look at the round leg. It just makes everything look so expensive, so premium. Love the design and love this classic look. Medium size, very easy to wear, I guess. So let's try these on. Yeah, they're super comfortable and super sleek, very beautiful. This can be my everyday. I can just wear it with my top and jeans, like dresses, so many different looks to wear. So with this pair, I can easily transit from my summer look to my next season fall look because it's all black with some gold details. It's super classic, and you can wear trendy outfits, of course, or you can wear basic outfits. This look is beautiful and versatile. So many different ways to style it, and this is like no-brainer. You should definitely get a pair of like the classic square style. What do you think? So if you're getting something like classic, versatile, easy to wear, I think this medium-sized square frame will be perfect for you. But if you're looking for something more like edgy street style, maybe get a can I oversized pair like this, or I like these pair. This is more like edgy, the clear frame, very edgy and sporty. And this is more like vintage inspired, but still like very glamorous. Everything is so beautiful. I am more like a monotone person, but you can find the fun colors from their Amazon page. You should definitely check out the product links down below to explore this brand like a little bit more. So we have done the try on part. I just tried all 8 pairs, and everything is like very comfortable to wear, and I like the quality of the frame, and it feels pretty nice in hands. I would say I think they will be my perfect summer accessories, and also accessories for next season. And with the lenses, I feel like I can see things clearly out in the bright light. We're gonna take everything out to do the test to see how those polarized lenses will work in real life. So without further ado, let's go. This is the view without sunglasses. For outdoors, the polarized lenses can block unwanted horizontal glare and excessive bright reflection, so that we can see things clearly. These sunglasses help improve clarity in bright situations like this, and it really worked. When I stack 2 pairs of sunglasses like this and then rotate the polarized lenses, you will notice the light gets dim and then gets totally blocked. This is an easy way for you to test if your sunglasses are polarized or not. So that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have linked all the sunglasses in the description down below. Feel free to check out their collection like a little bit more. And I loved everything. I wish I could include everything, but they do have so many styles. So I will continuously share more Amazon finds and some of my Amazon favorites on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and get notification. If you like this video, please also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That's it for now. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!